Okay, let's continue with practice 11. Question number 1. They're asking what percent of the seat were not occupied. This is 48 were occupied, so this means 12 were not occupied. Percent not occupied. We put a bar on top of the C. Not occupied. Yeah, put C, right? Equal to the difference is 12 over 60. You notice that 12 over 60 is 1/5. 1/5 will be 20%. Number 2. So they want to find how much did each person pay. So 4 people share taxi to the airport. The fare was 36. They give the taxi driver 25% of the fare. So and share the cost. 25% of the fare, this means they're pay per person. So they're actually paying 125% of 36. 125% is 5/4 of 36, and then also they divide this price by 4. So you cancel this 5 times 9, 45. 45 divided by 4 is about 11 something. So the answer is E. Right. So number 3. So in a certain class, the average rose from 72 to 84. The percent of increase will be the increase. The increase is 12 points over the original 72 times 100%. This is also original was times 100% here. So actually you got like 20% right away. You don't need to worry about this if you know this 1/5. The same thing here, you know this 1/6. 1/6 actually is 16 and 2/3%. So the answer is C. Now you have to remember 1/3 is 33 and 1/3%. 33 and 1/3% equal to 1 over 3. And then 66 and 2/3% equal to 2 over 3. So 1/6 is half of 1/3. So 60 and 2/3% is half of 33 and 1/3%. Right? So you notice that this is a 1/7 actually. This is a 6/7, and this is 2/3. Right? Here, look at this here, number 4. So when you see this type of question, you just follow the order. Copy down first. 60% of W equals 20% of T. They are looking for what percent of T is W. This one. What percent of T is W? So you're looking for X percent equal to W over T. That means you're looking for W over T in this case. So start from here, cancel this. 3W equal to T. So I move the T over, move the 3 over. So you got W over T equal to 1/3. So 1/3 is how many percent? 33 and 1/3%. Number 5. Also again, copy the following step. 36% of 18 excuse me, is 18% of what number? Percent cancel. 18 cancel. X equals 36. So technically you don't need to do any multiplications. Number 6. A closet contains 24 pairs of shoes. 25% of them are black. How many of them are not black? So very easy. Not black. Now number of not black, which is 75% of it are not black. 75% is 3/4 times 24. Cancel. You got 18. Number 7. Percent of discount from 120 to 100. Percent of discount means the drop. The drop is $20 over the original is 120 times 100%. Again, you see this is 1 over 6 again. 1 over 6 is 16 and 2/3%. 1 over 6. Number 8. What percent of the apartment in G found have working smoke alarm? Apartments with working smoke alarm. Percent of apartment with working smoke alarm. So let's say 80% of the apartment they have smoke alarm. Okay, 80% have smoke alarm. 20% not working. So if 20% not working, so 80% is working. 80 has smoke alarm, 80% working. Apartment with working smoke alarm. Oh, sorry, working smoke alarm. So 80% times 80% is 8 times 8 equals 64%. So the answer is B. Number 9. What is 20%? What is 20% of 2/3 of 15? I can change 20% to 1/5 of 2/3 of 15. 5, 3, and 15 cancel. You should have 2 in the answer. B. Number 10. What expression equivalent to 2/5%? 2/5% is 1 over 100. So you got 2 over 500 times 2 equals 4 over 1000. 4 over 1000 is 30, so the answer is C, 3 decimal place. Number 11. Is equivalent to, this fraction is equal to what percent? So the top is 0.4 over 0.5, which is 4 over 5, 80%.